Ionio Masterclass. Ionio Masterclass. Please like, share, subscribe. Ionio Masterclass. Hey, good to see you here. Let's move to the next topic of French Revolution, growing middle class, the outbreak of revolution, philosopher and their contribution in the revolution. Let's move to the growing middle fall. मिडिल क्लास थर्ड स्टेट में आता है, ये बात आप याद रखें. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, 18th सेंचुरी विटनेस रहा फॉर द इंटेलिजेंस इमर्जेंस ऑफ सोशल ग्रुप. सोशल ग्रुप यहाँ पे मिडिल क्लास को कहा जाता है, ये बात भी आप ध्यान रखें. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट आएगा इसमें, दिस बिकम अ न्यू ग्रुप हु अपग्रेड देमसेल्व्स थ्रू एजुकेशन, थ्रू ओवरसीज ट्रेड, प्रोफेशन, मर्केंडाइजिंग एंड अदर बिजनेसेस. इससे इन्होंने अपग्रेड किया और ये मिडिल क्लास बना. इससे पहले कोई भी मिडिल क्लास जैसा ग्रुप होता ही नहीं था सोसाइटी में. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, मिडिल क्लास बिकेम वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट ग्रुप हु कम विद द थॉट and privileges by birth is not acceptable in term of education, in term of clothes, in term of doing job, in term of payment, in term of reservations like in train, in public transport or somewhere else, and many more others. So these are the point. Afterwards इन्होंने लाया women's right, women education compulsory, children's एजुकेशन कंपलसरी, लेबर चाइल्ड लेबर को नेग्लेक्ट किया इन्होंने. सो दे आर समवेयर बिकम अपग्रेडिंग क्लास, इंटेलेक्चुअल क्लासेस. सो दीज आर द पीपल विच आर टॉकिंग नॉट इन जस्ट पर्टिकुलर section but even in saloon, in barber shop, somewhere in the marketplace also. So these are the classes which are growing and they become the actual cause of outbreak of French Revolution. To the next topic, philosopher and their contribution in revolution. So here we talk of 5 points in which, first of all, these ideas inspired people of third estate especially. They put forward their talk intensively in saloons, coffee shops, cafes, newspaper, magazine, books, write up. सब जगह चर्चा हो रही थी, सब जगह बातें कर रहे थे इस चीज़ पे. ना एक पॉइंट और आता है, अमेरिकन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड इट्स गारंटी ऑफ इंडिविजुअल राइट वाज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट एग्जाम्पल फॉर पॉलिटिकल थिंकर्स इन फ्रांस. क्योंकि अमेरिका की कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने इंडिविजुअल राइट्स को भी बहुत ज़्यादा महत्व दिया था. दैट्स व्हाई वी कॉल अमेरिका इज़ द फर्स्ट कंट्री who brought democracy in their constitution, right? So the three philosophers for which I'm going to talk about is John Locke. First of all, इन्होंने एक किताब लिखी, Two Treatises of Government, in which he criticized the doctrine of divine and absolute right of monarch, कि भाई monarch को divine rights कैसे दिए जा रहे हैं. Then Jean Jacques Rousseau, इन्होंने भी एक किताब लिखी, इनका नाम था सोशल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, जिसमें इन्होंने प्रपोज किया एक फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट बेस्ड ऑन सोशल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बिटवीन पीपल एंड देयर रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स. एंड तीसरे हैं मॉन्टेस्क्यू, इन्होंने भी एक किताब लिखी, द स्पिरिट ऑफ द लॉज, इन विच ही प्रपोज अ डिविजन ऑफ पावर विद इन द गवर्नमेंट बिटवीन द लेजिस्लेशन, the executive and the judiciary. So we also have the three type of government, right? In that same form, they also bought their book, The Spirit of Laws. Point is outbreak of revolution, in which King Louis on 5th of May 1789 proposed the General Assembly to increase the taxes for the third estate and bought assembly, in which on two opposite sides the other two states were set and the third state of 600 members were standing on the back sides, in which women's and peasants, workers, laborers are not allowed to enter in the assembly. Only the literate peoples were allowed. those who are educated, those who are businessmen, merchandisers, and all. And when he won, king refused the proposal, so all the 600 members walk out from the assembly and placed these 600 members demand for right to vote. So on 20th of June, जो भी थर्ड स्टेट के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव थे, दे रीच टू इंडोर टेनिस कोर्ट एट द ग्राउंड ऑफ वर्सलीज, और वहाँ पे खुद को डिक्लेयर कर दिया नेशनल असेंबली एंड वोट टू ड्राफ्ट अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। एंड ऑन दैट वे फ्रांस में ट्रबल आ गया, पूरा फ्रांस is in protest, and king sent on 14th of July, they sent all their troops to Paris. One thing more happened: because of hail and storm, all the food crops were destroyed during harvest season. The scarcity of food begins, prices were increases, and the merchants and the retailers were gaining profit. For that, they increases the price. There were no food, that's why people are hungry, and the hungry people are always angry and make a trouble. So this thing happens. One rumor regarding Lord of Manor who ripe all the crops through their hired gangs. So अंधविश्वास इंडिया में नहीं, हर जगह होता था. So this thing happens. Other two state members were migrated to their neighbor countries or somewhere else. Women's were storming, and finally on 14th of July, Bastille were destroyed. Finally, Louis XVI recognized the National Assembly and accepted the Constitution. On 4th of August 1789, France passed the law for abolishing the feudal system of obligation and taxes. Theat were also abolished, याद रखना. The member of clergy were also forced to give up their privileges. So this is all about today's session. Hope you understand well. If you have some doubt, please comment so I get to know as soon as possible. I relate with your query. Thanks for watching. Please like and share. Forget to subscribe.